Hi everyone, welcome to VXZ Backyard. In this episode, we're going to start stripping our Passat. So from the previous episode, we got the two vehicles switched around. So the Passat is now on the hoist bay. So we can start stripping out whatever parts we need for the T5 on that side. The first items we're going to start removing from the Passat will be the seats. So we got this crazy idea to use some of the seats from the Passat to create our small lounge section in the garage here in the corner over there. That's in that corner there. So we'll figure out how to place the seats once we got them removed from the Passat. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the back seat first. We need to fold down this the back parts. So if we got this down, I think there we can see there's a screw over there. So we need to get that screw out to get this plate out, and these two seats will come up, and I think it should release it. Let's get the tools quickly first to get that removed. Okay, so we got this out, and then try and pick up the seat here, MS. It should come out. It will be a little tight, but pick it up, it will go. It's very tight because it's holding on that end there. There we go. Right, so once this side is up, then you move it to me. There we go. There we go. Okay, so remove that one. How's the weight on it?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we can quickly show how the seat looks when it's coming out. Give the camera quick, yeah. So that's the view there. And that's the bracket that we need to remove. Okay. So this other one will also just lift up and then it will be coming out. Okay, let's go. There we go. So this one is tricky, hold on.
Yeah.
So here we got to watch out. We have to remove the seat belt here. So here's the bolt for the seat belt. We need to get the tools for that. See over here? There's a bolt there. We need to remove this. It's the center seat belt. Let's get that out. Okay. That's it. Okay, the screw will come out here. This bracket should remove with this. Okay, that's one piece. MS, this will go with the seat. You know what's going to be nice about this seat? We should just clean it up. When we use this thing, we're going to have these cup holders. Hey, and we got a special compartment here. Check it out. And we're going to have these cup holders. So if we use this as a lounge piece, we can have cup holders and an armrest in the center. That will be cool. Okay, that one goes next to it. Go. So this bottom piece, the way I know it, you just pull up here on the front. There we go. Okay, let's take it out. You got it? Yeah. Good. Alright, go today. Let's see. So, if we want to use this as a couch, we're gonna have to build us a wooden base for it here at the bottom to hold this down nicely. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we got the back seats out. The next step here, we want to try and get the front seat out. So let me quickly move it. So this is powered seats. So we just move it forward while they got power. You need to access the bolts at the back. That's it. Let's see on the side. We can access the bolts there. Come inside there, you check with that here. So here's one bolt here, and the other one is on that side. So we're going to loosen those, that's the rear ones. Okay, let me get the tools for that. Get this two screws out on the rear. So we've got these bolts loose, the rear ones, that one and that one. You can see the seat is loose, so let's get to the front quickly. There'll be another two at the front, but we need to move the seat back. So we go to the front. Remove this. Okay, so these ones are accessible.
Okay, so the one side screw is out. Okay, and the seat is loose. Alright, then underneath the seat you need to disconnect the harness. Let's see at the bottom here, where is the harness? There should be a plug here. Okay, this will be the seat belt plug. Let's remove that here. So we just do that. That's out, and then we've got this big one that will be for the power seat, electric seat, and also the heated seats. There we go. So that's also out, and then this will just be removed, and that's the harness that's loose. So this seat is ready to come out. Good. Okay, so we're gonna remove the seat. Let's go, MS.
Yeah.
I think the best is to try and get it out from the back. MS is gonna put all the bolts back on the original spot so we don't misplace any bolts. So it's the bracket and the one bolt over there. Just give it a few turns, it's fine.
There we go, it's fine.
And then the big bolt for the seat belt. Okay.
Yeah.
And then also for the seat. Hey, we're lucky. So we got a $5 or something here, or 2 rand. 2 rand found. Okay. There we go. Cool. Okay, so that's gonna be our last startup of the R36 exhaust. We need to align the car quickly on the lift. MS, maybe you just get in and start it for us, please. And then we hear the exhaust for the last time. Okay, let's line it up. Okay, so we're gonna start stripping out all the interior panels because the whole wiring harness is sitting behind all this plastic panels and carpet and so on. And because we need the complete harness of this car, the best is to remove all the panels. So let's get started. MS, Sulfa, I think let's get this back mat out first. Let's take the spare wheel out and then we proceed.
Okay, so I just have to lift here, then she pulls that.
Just lift this up here. Sulfa, you pull it up that side, lift it up, take it right out. Pull it right out, not too high.
Yeah.
Not too high. Yeah, pull.
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. Take it right out. Okay, can take out the spare wheel, MS. Let's go with the spare wheel. Getting it out.
Yeah.
Good. This side here, I can pull this cover out quickly over there. Take that. Open that cover there on the side, Sulfa.
Yeah.
Pull that one out, yeah. Just pull it out. Yeah, we need that. There's a battery, you see.
Okay, put this.
So interesting. It's actually got such a big battery that it's the size of a VW Amarok battery. Okay, spare wheel out. Okay, cool. Hey, you know what we can do with that?
What?
I just clicked. So we'll remove the tire from the rim. We'll clean up the wheel nicely. And we can make our table for our corner lounge that we're busy with. So we'll put a glass on the top. Okay, so we'll figure that out. We need to open this cover over here. Let's get all that out there. So there's a lot of things over here. Pull that hole. Yeah, the whole thing. Pull it out nicely. Good. So far what you can do for us is bring us a blue bin from the front. Bring maybe 2 or 3. Or even the black bins, the bigger ones. Put those small bolts in the MS.
Yeah.
Okay. Bring more. Put them here. Put them for now here. And we'll check what to do with this. Okay, take that clip out. Good.
Okay, start with
Take out the T25.
on that side as well.
Yeah, do it once. Because whatever's on the right will be on the left. Okay. You see these hidden ones. Oh, it's just a cap cover. Not sure what's in there.
Oh.
It's not really a screw. Okay, it's just a cover. Alright, then we've got the clips that I mentioned. Where is it? Here on top. So you put this on over here. That's it. Quite simple. Bring me the bun here. Put the bun inside here. So you can keep all the clips and bolts and screws together. When we get to the T5, then we know we can use all of these for whatever's missing. It's out.
Yeah,
That one's
it's
out.
right
Let me go on that side. Shine for me the torch. MS. Come that side like that. Okay, all the bolts, all the clips on the top is removed. I think the last one that's left is just over here. So this, we just pull this open and we remove this clip. That's it. And we've got 230 bolts in here. T30s they removed. Please put this in the bun there. Keep all the parts together, right? This is this piece here that's hooked around the boot. And this hinge. So we got clips over here, see? They're clipping onto the body here. This cover should be removed. Here we go. Okay. So that's the one side, we'll do the same on the other side. You see this wiring harness in here? So there we can see it runs, it's routed on that side. It's probably coming here to the rear, to the lights and so on. So we need all that because we want to also get some of the wiring for the lights for the T5, so that it has this auto detection of the globes. You know, when the globe is fused, gives you a warning on the cluster. I want that feature also on the T5. The T5 is the oldest spec, so it never came with it. That's the 2007 model. So I think from 2008 on they started bringing these features in on the VWs. So we'll transfer that over as well. Same on the left, so we can see here's the battery. There's of course more wiring on this side. There'll be a small fuse box and so on, but at least it's now accessible. So our plan is to continue stripping all the plastic panels moving forward to the front. I think the last thing we're going to take out is this piece here on the sides. Okay, so we're going to remove this side panel here that goes with the seat. So we'll also use this when we put it in the lounge that we're going to make in the corner. So we'll start off. Here's a bolt here, Zulfa. Maybe take out that bolt for us there. Sit out. What's holding it on the top?
Even the bottom on the side is stuff holding it.
It's clips maybe. Pull. There we go.
There we go.
Smart. It's just clipping on it. It's got a big clip on the top. So that we need. And you see again, there's the wiring harness running there. Zulfa, check it out. You see?
Yeah, I see.
The whole harness is running there. And there's an airbag plug there. So we're going to have to also use the curtain airbags for the pass. Okay, good. So we got that out. And then we'll do the same here on the side here. Okay, so this is bringing us to the end of this episode. As you can see over here, the whole rear end, we've got at least all the panels, everything removed that needs to be removed to get to the harnesses. We'll continue to the front section in the next episode. For now, please remember, like, subscribe,
And hit the bell so you don't miss another notification.
see you there.